Do you ever worry about what people think of you and just wanted to fit in with a popular crowd? Today we have a very special story. We're going to meet Laura, the yellow ladybird. Laura thought a lot about her friends, thoughts of her unique yellow wings, and she just wanted to fit in a world of red. So let's find out why as we read Laura the Yellow Ladybird by Catherine Holtzhausen, Martha Evans, Nadene Kriel, and the illustrator is Catherine Holtzhausen. Laura the Ladybird was a special bug. Unlike all her friends, she had bright yellow wings. Everyone loved her yellow wings. Each morning, BB Butterfly said hello, and Manto Mantis always waved. Even Sessa the sulky spider was happy to see her. At school, she played with lots of friends. But Laura wanted to be like the other ladybirds. I wish I had red wings like you, Mama, she cried. So one day, to cheer her up, Laura's mother painted her wings bright red. The next morning, nobody greeted Laura on her way to school. And when she got there, none of her friends said hello. Laura sat all alone. No one noticed her new red wings. Until Miss Maya spotted her and said, "You've painted your lovely yellow wings." Laura's classmates were shocked. "Your wings are special, so unique, so rare." "Laura," Miss Maya said, "your yellow wings are what make you, you like Sipho's spot and Sally's legs." Back home, Laura took a long bath and scrubbed until her golden wings gleamed. "I'll never paint my wings again," she thought, "except maybe once or twice. To try a bit of purple or something nice, but not forever, just for fun." A story about self confidence and accepting your own unique beauty. Laura found that her friends accepted her just the way she was. Wasn't it great that Laura embraced her uniqueness and she didn't worry about what people thought of her? We are all special and unique in our own ways. Until next time, thank you for being our reading friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.